guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a good blessing a cartoon. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my updated everyday makeup routine. And guess what, today is Sunday, so I want to glamorize this thing. Like I want a soft makeup glam. So if you're interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, the first thing I love doing is moisturizing my face, and I love to moisturize my face with an olive oil before applying any foundation on my face. And guys, I'll be using Naked for Kiss Beauty foundation. So guys, I'll be using this Zoeva buffer brush to blend that the foundation. I've been loving this brush, and guys, it gives an amazing effect, so you want to definitely try it out. So guys, I'm going ahead to also blend it out with a damp beauty blender. You want to make sure your beauty blender or your beauty sponge is damp, not wet but damp. So guys, the next thing I'm doing is contouring my face, and I'm using the MaryKay foundation in the shade 708 to contour my face. First, don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply concealer. So guys, I'm going ahead to use this Zoeva concealer buffer to blend the concealer. Never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this hair look, this knotless box braid I'm doing, I'll leave the link in the subscription below. Make sure you try as much as possible to watch and learn how to do knotless box braid. It's actually a beginner's tutorial, so just click on it and get to know how I came about this hair look. So guys, I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a damp beauty blender. On a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply lipstick as my blush, and I'm using a red lipstick.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
So guys, to set the areas that I highlighted, I'll be using the black Opal finishing powder.
Focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
So guys, I'm going ahead to press the powder in. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to press the powder in.
It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work.
Okay guys, I'm going ahead to use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to chisel out my nose.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Alright guys, I went ahead to draw my brows off camera, and I'm applying eyeshadow, and I'm using a brown sheet for my base.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
So guys, I'm going ahead to use the MAC face brush powder to blend my entire face.
Yo, I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Next thing I want to do is to line my lips, and I'm using a black pencil to line my lips, and then I'm going to apply a lip gloss. I'm going ahead to apply a red blush.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down.
I'm going ahead to set my entire face with my homemade setting spray. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look. This is my updated everyday makeup routine, and I'm so loving it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below and click on the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.